So if I was to start again as a marketer, wanted to be hired with very little experience, hands down, the thing I would do would be a side project of any kind. Seth Godin will say, like, make a spinner and spin the wheel. So just do something, do one thing, keep doing it. Even though you don't see any result right now, stop. Like, it's only been a week, it's only been 2 weeks. Just fucking focus on the output instead of the input. That helps a lot. For me, it's a weekly podcast, meaning I have to interview someone every week. I have a backlog, but it's every week.
Yeah.
So maybe start a newsletter, curating links once a month. Maybe help a charity promote their stuff. Maybe start a blog and write every day. Maybe start a Medium publication, write every 2 weeks. I don't care what it is. You must, if you don't have marketing experience, you must start something on the side that shows that you can do something. You can start from nothing, literally zero, nothing, to something. And that's kind of the start of marketing. I think good marketers can start something from scratch with no credibility, to being anonymous, and turn it into something. Bad marketers rely on others and paid ads and all of that to make it happen. I think if you're a good marketer, you should be able to do that without any outside help. But that takes guts, that takes a bit of time. But this is the type of stuff that I appreciate when I interview people.